Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the paint shop inventory. This is the 1 liter. Here's the 1 liter. These are milliliters, right? 100 milliliter, 200 milliliters, these are called as milliliters, the liter. Right? If someone paint shop ask, they need 500 milliliter here. This is the slide bar. This is a slide bar. Okay, the sidebar. You have to move the slider. You can see the value. Okay, 200. Okay, 200. Okay, this price will be automatically displayed. This is the price. If you move the 400, here the price. 500 is the price. So 1 liter price should be, I have include as 1200. Okay, so 1 liter price should be 1200. If you count 900, it automatically changes. This is simple, easy way to do the slide bar and do the program. Very simple. You can do it the things. Okay, here once you move the cursor over here like this, price will be incremented. If you move the cursors below up, price will be incremented. If you move the cursor down, slide down, price decremented. Slider up, price incremented. Slide down, price decremented. Okay, very simple. How to do this program step by step? Let us see. Let's go here, new program, Java application, click paint inventory. Okay, I have I go here, paint. Sure. If it is create main class, you have to uncheck it and finish. Your project has been created successfully. Here we have the source package, select default package, new JFrame form. Here have paint. Right. Okay, this window I am going to expand a little bit. So here I am going to name it as label, name it as paint shop. Select this one, right click properties. You have to increase the print little bit bigger, 48. Font I am going to change it as some designing font, this like this. Perfect. Font foreground color also, font color also I have changed it as a red. Perfect. Paint shop. Now I am going to put one panel. It's very simple. The panel, drag and drop. Right click properties, border, bevel border. Click OK. Now what I am going to do is here I am going to drag the little bit here bigger. Right. Now I am going to drag the this field, slider field. Drag it. This is horizontal. I need a vertical part. So first we have to make it as a horizontal. Right click. First do the setting. Starting the setting from 0. Maximum I need 1000. Percentage 1000. I need 1000 value. Okay. Right. So perfect. Select this one. I want this one as the label. Right. So perfect. Maximum 100 space. You have to check it here. Now let's run and check. It's there. Yes, 100. Right, like this. Perfect. Now this is the 1 liter. Now I need what is things need to be done here is I need the horizontal vertical one. Right click properties, here orientation vertical, select this one, close it. Perfect. Now what I am going to do is I am going to increase a little bit size. How to make it as simply. Okay. Perfect. Now what I am going to select this one, properties, sorry, for source, Control F, UI plus enter key, metal. Okay, perfect. Now I need a text field. I just drag and drop the text fields. One text field. This is the text field. I am going to drag it. Right click, edit text, backspace, remove the extension, select again, properties. We have a font. We have to increase little bit bigger, 14. This one I have to name it as a label, value, or quantity. So quantity, you have to call it as quantity. Properties, width, bold, 24. Perfect. The same thing here. This also font size. Select this one. Properties, font size also 24. Perfect. Right. I just select this both. Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and get enter copy. This one should be the total price. The total price here. You have to see the total price over here. Okay. So this one you have to name it as txt quantity. This one I am going to name it as txt total. That's it, the name. Right. Now what I am going to do, if I move the cursor, I want to display the quantity as well as calculate and display the total. That's the two thing I need to display. So I don't need to waste the time. I just copy and paste the code, and I will explain it. Don't worry about that. I'm going to select this event, select this one, right click. The event should be change state. This is the event which I am going to running. Paste it, txt quantity, txt dot. That's it. Now let's test it. The program is working fine. It's working fine. So what I did here is slider. What's the name of the slider here is iSlider1. If you need, you can change the name, but you need. So slider1 dot get value. What is the value you are moving? That value should be assigned with this variable slide. After that, quantity dot text, that value should be displayed on this text field, quantity text field. What's the value you are moving? Okay, this one should be the int. You have to convert as string value of. After that, 1000 liter. This is this is a milliliter. This is a liter. 1000 liter. Okay, here 1 liter. This is a milliliter. Okay, the 1 liter is a milliliter. Okay, 1 liter price I have put here is 1200. So we have divided by 1000. Okay, this is 1 milliliter, 1000 liter, here milliliter. Okay, so that's how your calculation should be work, and is assigned the variable dot. So you have to calculate the total and display into the total text field here. That's the stuff you have to do here. Very simple. It's working perfectly. I hope you guys understood the program well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching. So here we have to, another thing is, you have to put it like this. So simple. So otherwise you have to put it here. You have to cover more spaces over here. Okay, perfect. Now it's working perfect. It's working perfect. Okay, so otherwise the simple is, there are many spaces are there, so we will be able to cover like this. Paint shop. Okay, it's simple. Simple you have to cover right here. Very simple. It's working. Move the cursor. It's a little bit. Okay. Thank you for watching. If you love my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.